To check your transaction history on Xbox, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox account. Start by turning on your Xbox console or opening the Xbox app on your device. Sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your Xbox profile. Step 2. Access settings. Once you are signed in, navigate to the settings menu. You can find this by selecting your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the home screen. Step 3. Go to account. In the settings menu, look for the account section. Click on it to access account-related options, including transaction history. Step 4. View transaction history. Within the account settings, find and select payment and billing. Here, you will see an option for order history or transaction history. Click on it to view all your past transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. You will now see a list of your transactions, including purchases, subscriptions, and any other charges. You can select individual transactions for more details if needed. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Xbox. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Xbox support.